out. Remember tell you who here Alkaline help out in 2014 to some cancer people or whatsoever when him donate 200,000, and in 2022 him donate $2 million, few million dollar to some blind people. When
a few moments later,
you no come tell me no fuck in my ears. Alkaline mean him not help, him not help do nothing. All him do is take no money.
2,000 years later.
aka Alkaline. Alkaline, what go on? Nobody, you not help nobody. You do a show in Chilani the other day. Come on, follow up my shop to you know. When I hear no line, come in and see him do nothing, no platform. Everybody will go up for.
One eternity later.
If you didn't see the drain running behind your yard being clean, don't believe that no work is happening. Work is happening, but it may not be in your locality.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Wagwan, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Bless up everybody, you know. Remember to like, share and subscribe. People, I'm going to explain certain things what I want to see in the media right now. You understand? And I don't know when since Alkaline start run for government. I never know say Alkaline responsible for the people them in Jamaica. I never know that. You understand? But we know say Alkaline over the years been supporting the people and been giving back and everything. But things is getting spooky now. It's like it come like say Alkaline is a prime minister. Because the way how them a call out Alkaline, them now call out the prime minister like this. You understand? It seems like taxpayers' money are run through Alkaline pocket. But people want to listen to the video, you know. You understand? I want to hear what going on.
$35 million at the 35 year that with them dig you know, Mr. Wagwan, big up yourself, real boss. A big help that. Yeah man, and well I know, you see for the delusional fans them now where I say Alkaline help out. Let me tell you who here Alkaline help out in 2014 to some cancer people or whatsoever when him donate 200,000 donate.
Brother, so you gonna tell me say Alkaline donating 200,000 right to cancer patient. How many dancehall artists do that in a them time there? So you're telling me Alkaline hard working money him give back to the people them too? How much people can find $200,000 right now and just give to us so? So you make it sound like say that is nothing. Cause you say you are just 200,000 give away. At the end of the day, nobody now go to them we are give 200,000 so. You understand? So at the end of the day, Alkaline donating 200,000 to the cancer patient. It is saving life. It is doing treatment. It will help some people. It will help something. Is the same goddamn thing we are going right now with the people them. 200,000. You know what 200,000 could I do right now for people them now right now? Enough for them snacks, food, every little thing. So yeah, make it seem like so back then that is nothing. That's why I try showing it, so brother. On a really ungrateful dog. I tell you no. But people want to know what I say.
200,000 Jamaican dollar JMB. And in 2022, him donate $2 million, few million dollar to some blind people when they help blind off.
Yo, dog, I don't know where them money. It's a Gaza money, you know. I don't know where them money I get them information from. First of all, I know $2 million, and then we hear him say it. Man, make it sound like the millions is nothing. You understand? You see, the hate is really real with Alkaline, you know. People don't realize what going on, so it show you the mentality of people. So this man has stated out so many things Alkaline are doing to people. But look here, the man make it seems like Alkaline not do nothing while he might tell you the amount of money Alkaline are donating, you know. So look here now, people. If Alkaline are donate and the way how the man even say yo we him blind, I don't know where I talk about. Seeing? But if Alkaline did a donate back then, and then make the donation come like nothing. Imagine now the way how them are going. It shows how you can't please, no matter what you do, good or bad, the people them still are gonna have the same set of mindset. Seeing? You, I say, although not $2 million I'm donate or 1 million, but you will make it seem the way you say the 2 million, few million, and that you must say no few. It shows you, brother. Me I tell you dog, you can't satisfy, brother, no matter what Alkaline do, brother. Cause when me know donation is donation, it helping out. Remember, say it's not a lot of artists doing it. You understand? So the way you wanna talk, bro, me I tell you, no vile, brother. No vile. Because there's so many artists in dancehall right now if you call out. And the same situation we are going to Jamaica right now. And no choose if you call out Alkaline alone. Me not hear no call other people about it's about 40 to 50 established artists in a dancehall. Me not talk about no dancehall artists where just get one hit song, one song. And that's it. We are talking about established. The man will stamp them name in a ground where we can talk about, where we can call them name. See? And out of that 50 there, Zine, I must say about, you can say about couple of them are doing it like about, you just say about 20 or so, or maybe less. Me just estimate. Zine, remember you have how much left in, you have 20 to 30 left in. Zine, and you tell me say, you only choose to call out Alkaline. So wait there, how you never call out Alkaline when you donate $1 million to the blind industry? When Alkaline donate to the blind people them, why you never call out the other artists them say them not do none? Why you never call them out? When Alkaline donate the 200,000, seeing the 200,000 to the cancer patient them, why you never call out the artists them say oh them not donate? You see how everything boil along now? Show on bro. You're a hypocrite, brother. You understand? You no fear. You see it? And the more you forward out and I call out Alkaline name, it more you expose on a mentality, bro. Cause you the right so explain how much money the man donate. See? You say a 2 million, which is not. So we're gonna run with your thing. See? A 1 million him donate, but we're gonna run with your thing. See? You say 2,200,000. And you're telling me the way you talk it's like nothing. You expect him to donate more while other artists out there not doing what he's doing. How many artists in Jamaica donate to the blind industry? The people them we can't really see. How many dancehall artists do it? Same like how we see what go on in the media with the other artists them. We not call out Alkaline alone, and not call out some of the artists them, you know. Alkaline alone and not call out. Like say, Alkaline they put on money. Like how the government have insurance for ban for hurricane. We no go on like Alkaline have money put on a wait for this a day. Where a film responsibility. You understand? But people, we listen to what I say.
So what you know, I don't want no delusional fans that come tell me about Alkaline, help out rather than help out from 2014 to 2000 blood clot. 2014 and 2022. Him no give you $5 million. So I don't want you to come tell me no fucking on my ears. Alkaline mean. Is the reason why I don't have a blood clot, girl. Is the reason why I do not have a pitney as yet. Him not no pitney, no youth. Me in your fuck. So I want you to see that.
People, the man just say no. The man just say him donate this in at a particular year, and then the man will end up say Alkaline mean. Then if Alkaline mean, brother, why would Alkaline give the blind industry $1 million or your so-called $2 million and give the cancer patient them 200,000 if him did mean? Bro, it's like you forgot. Me tell you already, you know, anything Alkaline do good is no value to no eyesight. But when something forward where make it seems like him now, because none of them know what going on, you know. You understand? Not because you not see Alkaline at media like Cartel, Massacre, all of these artists, right? You know have it to say Alkaline nah do none. Bro, Alkaline obligated to do what the other rest of artists them a do. Not even the artists them not obligated. The artists them a do it off of them willing heart for the people because they were once like them. You understand? Them did a suffer like them can't afford certain things. You see, them a do it for them art. When you be an artist, Zane, you don't sign no contract. Say, look here, if anything happen to them people, you have to donate. If you realize Alkaline created him foundation years ago, you understand? Been giving back. As since Hurricane Melissa, you see all these foundation creating. You understand? All these foundation creating. So when Alkaline did a give back, not saying him not give back, no, you know. See, because Alkaline not do things to the media. Him not do things and post it. You understand? Everybody stays so. Right now you have artists in the dancehall where are doing it and them not post nothing. Right now. See? But the youth did do it back then. We still not appreciate it. Now, show everybody in the scene now you doing it and them do them little video, them do them little thing and you know, them push up themselves, them brand it, market themselves while you know you don't know them support the people. Same way. See? But true Alkaline is a man where just stay in his zone, stay in himself. Because this is the team, you know. This is the thing, you know. Them artists there out there doing them things supporting the people. Them feel comfortable by going out. Remember, you know, them could have sent them team, you know. Them could have sent them team and say, yo, this is who's to have a team. Yeah, we come for deal with this. But them just want there to support the people. Them. You understand? Which is them not obligated to do it. So, same like when I call out Alkaline. See? When I call out other rest of artists, them. You understand? Because at the end of the day, it's not Alkaline responsibility. And it's not the other artists' responsibility. Zine is the government. At the government, the people in Jamaica pay tax to. Not Alkaline. Or not the rest of the artists them. You understand? The artists them do it out. Me never know say, like, yo, artist money put on. If you when them time a hurry. You know what the funniest thing, people? So many hurricanes come to Jamaica and cause a lot of problem. Right? Me I tell you. You have Ivan, you have this, you have that. All these, some of the artists them did there. We never see all of them things with artists that do this and all of these things. See? But now, you don't know social media. All of them something here. See? Everybody. Come in by now. At the end of the day, me I go speak facts because enough of them people here, when you see them do them thing here, them a push up them brand, everybody just want people see them a do this. All who you know not go on or who want make a forward back, them a just do a thing. But nothing wrong with that because at the end of the day, it's still supporting the people. But through Alkaline now, him not in a the media thing and every little thing, it a cause a problem now. Because you see cartel, you see, them man they in the thing. And enough artists out there when in the media, but them still doing it. So I don't know what's the problem with Alkaline. You understand? But people, this is what I want.
I mean, I want you to come tell me about who Alkaline are one of the kindest artists. You know, be very delusional and if you tap it. I like how you see it. Him not help, him not help do nothing. All him do is take no money. When new rules to keep, him run out and says, new rules to keep, so no run out, we don't know blood clot, we don't take it money. You know, we don't take it money.
Yo, people, I just want to realize how humans stay. I tell you that. Remember him just say, Alkaline donate this and Alkaline donate that. Then everything change. Alkaline don't do nothing. You saw me I try to tell how humans stay? You can't satisfy humans. The man just say Alkaline donate 200,000, 2 million. See? Now he must say Alkaline no do nothing, him not support the people, all him do a keep show, this, that. When Alkaline keep him show with the Trelawney people. Alkaline team up with the Ministry of Agriculture. Them buy fertilizer, all these things in the agriculture. Build the farming in Jamaica. Start up a program to support the farmers them in Trelawney. But tell me what, people, nobody runs with the goodness what Alkaline do. You see what them are run with now? Them never did that go on, so when Alkaline do it, you know. How many artists donate or support the farming industry in Jamaica? How many artists do that? How many foundations do that? How many artists in Jamaica we are keep a show? We are provide jobs for the youth them. You understand? These people forward on the media for bring down a youth where help people. You understand? Just because they not see Alkaline in the media. Them remember you know, them know say Alkaline is not a media man. But through them other artists them out there now, them want to see Alkaline out in the streets. Yeah, Alkaline are the government him for out there too. Him a MP. Yeah man. But listen what I say people.
So Alkaline will take on the blood clot money and sit there now. Me list a machine up and can't say Alkaline money. I'm here now come talk about who. Him do things but him not show it. And him team do it. Him team do it a bomb clot which artist. Which artist on this face of earth are going to do this good and hide it? You know, that that's somebody might do. You stop on the delusional blood clot self, and like you don't want to take people. Us.
Yo, boy, me I tell you, man, say, how much people do things and hide it? Me not understand that, you know. Much people do things and hide it. So what is this? Me not understand. So you're trying to tell me, say, all of the people them where do the good right now, seeing, them a show it for sake, say, yo, for make them look good or well, for support the people. More understand. So, either somebody out there supporting the people, seeing, they on the ground, Ray carry things, give them food bag out there. And somebody sending their team will represent for them brand. You not see them the people, you know. You not see the person. But you see the person, team and brand out there doing it. Isn't it the same support? Don't the people them get food and them belly get full? Not the same thing. Oh, so Alkaline for out there like Massacre and Cartel. Seeing? I support the people them. But Alkaline still send out him team and represent him for support. No, that are not support. Alkaline have it there. Bro, no violate me, I tell you no. But people, me see
25 million.
me see a girl forward out. Zine, want to see what I go on. Want to see what I go on. Me don't know what I go on so. Zine. Basically, she says she a one vendetta fan. I don't know, cause people, anybody can say anything, you know, just bring down a man, you know. You understand? I don't know. People, me I tell you how them people are shake up. See? These people know how Alkaline stay. Them don't see Alkaline on a regular basis. See? And these people want Alkaline to go out there in a pan camera every little thing. So we are the people. We see a lot of donors overseas, international artists like no for artists them over there. I support Jamaica, right? Send money, everything. Like Drake, what name? Me know maybe I'll bust a rhyme them and them artists there. Seeing where I help donate. And I think Snoop Dogg too. Seeing? People. You see them people there, although them are donate, you see them people there in a Jamaica in the media, issue out food? So what the problem now? What is the problem? What people? We're not going to stay long. We're going to listen to what the girl has say.
Good afternoon to everyone on this media, social media platform. But hear me say, I want somebody to come boy in the evening, you know, and I Leonard Bardi, aka Alkaline. Alkaline, what one? Everybody else should show out and do them thing for everybody. Everybody have a platform and help out the poor and the needy them. The people them in a sentence. Saint Elizabeth, Mobile. Nobody, you do a show in Chilani the other day. Come on, Falmouth mash up to you know. We don't hear nobody talk about Falmouth and them places. But hear me and say, you may talk about.
Yes, so you see the same thing when I talk about people. Them keep on and bring up the show. You see, it's all life. I tell you how the media stay you know. Them don't focus on the positive, the negative. Alkaline keep on showing a Trelawney people. And Alkaline team up with the Ministry of Agriculture. Provide jobs for the youth them. Seeing? Get the youth them the farming utensils, everything. Donate. And these people never come talk about it. You notice that them keep short. You see it? These things post on the social media, you know. But nobody highlight it. Everything with Alkaline we highlighted is negative. That's what them run with. So this show say, yo, no matter what Alkaline do, them always I go bash him. It show you. Seeing? She never come talk about say, yo, me not lie still, you know. I say Alkaline team up with the agriculture and it support the farmer them in a Trelawney. Remember say Trelawney is a farming parish, you know. Seeing? Me not see enough of them artists and not do it. Enough of them artists, yeah. Nah support farming. You understand? Enough of them not do it. And for sure you, no matter what Alkaline do, them go always try some way to bring down the youth. All when the youth do good, me I tell them, remember you know people. Remember you know, this is a long period disaster thing, you know. Alkaline can donate anytime. Right? Alkaline can donate anytime, but you tell you what, them want program Alkaline if he run out now. Through them see Cartel and Massacre them out there. Them want him to come out now And also it work. You understand? But listen what she has to people.
You know, I'm an artist. At the end of the day, I don't want to feel like say, oh, you don't care for the poor people at the end of the day. Even say the poor because the rich unite same way. But at the end of the day, Rebel do it, Spice, Beanie Man, Shaggy, and the rest of entertainment, them entertain them and all. Some I have clients will go down there, go help them and so. To give back and so. So what go on in our body? Come on, you need to do something, man. Step up, man. What go on? I need somebody to repost this. We need somebody to make this reach Alkaline. Because I don't see man do nothing, no platform. Everybody will work for.
Lady, lady, you know, it seems like you give Alkaline some money for put on, man. You understand? You know what the funniest thing? You say you're a fan of Alkaline. See? But you forward on the media. To me, it's like you want to seek attention, right? You will say, yo, post this. You want everybody to see this. Tag Alkaline because you want him to see it. But lady, maybe a Chilani you forward from, the way you talk like Falmouth. But lady, when Alkaline was doing the agriculture, supporting the farmers in Chilani, why you never give the same energy? Why you never come out and make this statement and say tag Alkaline, we appreciate for what you do in a Chilani for help the farmers and every little thing? Why you never do that? You say you're an Alkaline fan, but you couldn't highlight the good the Alkaline do in a Falmouth. When enough of them artists you not do, enough artists come from Chilani. Enough of them artists you never do. You couldn't, as a fan, come out, come highlight it. But when you see everybody a beat Alkaline, you choose to come out. Enough of you forward on the media, you're not a true fan. You just want to see a run with the media, forget a clout off of that. So you no want to look bad, Enough of you have some different set of fans, But you no want to look bad, you say, yo, fan of this, Ray. No for una not truly no fan. Because if una did a fan and rate Alkaline, una would not keep track of all these things we him do. You would have even a forward out and I say, yo, me nah lie still, Alkaline donate to the farmers them and every little thing in Chilani and him always support the people them and thing, Seeing? Remember say Alkaline don't responsible for the people them. You understand? Or the government. Stop make it look like say artists. Money where them a make response for the people them of the country. Them never sign no contract. Them a do it from them heart. The same energy we now pushing at the artists them, yo, all this now come on, rare, this is that. We're not supposed to put that in the government. You understand? Remember say the artists them are same people like only the only thing them is them people know them and them a get a high pay job. But I still work same way and people like Uno. You understand? So when you found out in the media and a bash artist say, yo, come out, a time now. Yo, the people them, you not support the people them. And that's how it work. Not because you don't see artists out there means say this is an artist you have to forward out. How much artists in a dancehall will not donating? You understand? And Uno don't, this is the thing, Uno don't know if Alkaline a donate. Uno don't know if him gives, why it need to be aware. Say, yo, him for forward out. Yo, no. Me not understand that. When Alkaline a donate back then, Uno never did a push the same energy. When him a donate and no other artist now donate, when him donate the 200,000 to the cancer patient, how much artists do it? Uno never forward and call out an artist. When him give the $1 million to the blind people them, seeing the blind organization, enough artists never did. Uno never come call out no artist. But when every artist a do this now, Uno call out one man. And when you not forward and call out Alkaline, seeing? Uno not like so una call out Alkaline, Tommy Lee, who else? Other artists out there. Seeing? We not donate. Uno not call out no bag artists, only as Alkaline. Uno not say, yo, uno move like some ungrateful people. You understand? Because if the youth, when he do things, uno not applaud him and say, yo, he might do this. Uno not come out and make them statement here. And when everybody bring down the youth, uno forward out, help bring down the youth. But when the youth do good out there, none of uno not forward and bring up the youth brand. No, uno not do that. Uno prefer to the youth brand look away, look this and that. Not knowing uno not research nothing to see if you might do this because what? Uno run with some narrative in the media. The media data get on the brain chip. You understand? Una see things in the media and know say your media are different thing from reality. You see it? But people, una don't know, you know. It show you say in a life, it no matter what you do, no matter how you help people, it no matter how you do this. You see when the time for it to bring you down, remember, you know, man I say Alkaline don't need this, then he must say Alkaline not do nothing for nobody. It show you that's what Alkaline say, yo. Him grandmother said the world never lie, them spit him up like a bubble gum when it dry. The same people them we say them rate you, we hate you tomorrow. You understand? The people them will lift you up today, we bring you down tomorrow. Remember me tell you that. You understand? But people no don't know, you know, and media facts, you know. That is it.